What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ro, back on this video. Today I got 5 reasons why all your logos suck. So stay tuned and check it out. Peace. Alright, reason number 1, you don't plan or do research. When I'm designing a logo, I always need to have a plan. I need to do background research on the brand, on the industry. You won't know the future of the company unless you know the history. When I'm starting with a brand, I always like to look at where they started off at. And if that brand does not have that history, I look at other brands and engage inspiration from them. How can we do what they do, but do it better? Do it 10 times, 15 times better. A lot of y'all just jumping into projects and ain't doing no research. You just designing something because you want a paycheck. If you want to go from designing logos for $25, $50 to $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, do some research. The more research you know about the industry, the more valuable you are to the company. And the more valuable you are, the more you get paid. Reason number 2, you don't sketch your logos. So I've noticed that when I get done sketching, my hand and eye coordination when I get to designing the logo with the mouse is a lot better. Versus when I just jump into Illustrator, I'm off. My first couple logos are horrible. And then my confidence is lowered a little bit because I'm like, damn, can I come up with a concept for this brand? Like, what am I doing? Versus when I sketch first, I already know where I'm going. I know what I'm trying to do. I know where we're headed, you know? So always sketch your logos first. Reason number 3, you use clip art. We've already had this conversation, but we're gonna have it again. Stop using clip art on your logos. If you're gonna become a serious logo designer, you gotta stop using clip art. You have to. You gotta trust in your skills. You gotta work on your skills. You gotta get in the lab and just hone your craft and focus on building your own unique design style. In 2016, I made the switch. I said, I'm no longer using clip art. I'm focused purely on just building logos for myself and my skill set, and I'm gonna get better at it. That's the only way I'm gonna get better, if I work on it. And it's helped me create more memorable logos and more meaningful and unique logos because it's coming from my brain, it's coming from my experiences and my own views and my own insight. Now I'm able to incorporate pieces of the personality from the client that I'm working with, trends that are going on in the world, and just other things, because nobody's gonna see the world the way I do. But if I can incorporate parts of their personality, trends over here, and subliminal elements, it will help them connect more with their core audience. It'll help me connect more with my clients. As graphic designers, you're not here to make things pretty. You can, but you should more focus on impact. Who gives a f if it's pretty if nobody's gonna see it? If no one's gonna feel a way about it. The only way for you to elevate as a designer is to start incorporating your personality in these logos and these designs, because that's what you're being hired for. People are hiring you for you, whether you know it or not. You've sold them a piece of yourself and they liked it enough to where they want to invest in you. So why are you giving them someone else's clip art? Reason number 4, you copy people's work and you don't come up with your own style. We all know everything in this life is a copy of a copy of a copy. It came from somewhere. There really is no original ideas in this day and age, but you can at least try, okay? You ain't gotta just blatantly rip off people's ideas, man. I hate that shit. Hate it. I feel like we all have our own unique style. We all have our own unique perspective in life. So when I see somebody just blatantly ripping off somebody, it doesn't connect. When you see a great design and you know that designer done been through some shit, and in the design is connected with them, it hits on a different level. Don't steal people's work. Be as creative as you can. This is gonna be built on your brand. So when you design something for somebody or you create something for somebody, don't steal it, because this represents you. So if you get caught stealing, your whole name is down the toilet, my dog. You might not never see another project again. Stand on principles, stand on morals, and most importantly, just understand that you represent something bigger than yourself. Reason number 5, your style is out of date. So right now, what's trending and what's modern in today's age is simplified logos, being able to tell what it is from long ranges to close ranges. And I honestly don't think we'll ever go back to over-designed logos either, to be honest, just because everything is so brand oriented these days that when I'm far away, I need to know what that is. When it has too much details, when it has too much going on, when it doesn't have a focal point, it automatically turns me off. I'm like, I'm not wearing that shit. Your logo needs to be adaptable. It needs to be simple. It needs to be straight to the point. If my logo is not versatile, if I can't put it on multiple platforms and it works, it's not a good logo. Be thinking about that when you're creating these logos for these clients or when you're creating them for yourself. Think about brand evolution. Think about where they're at right now and where they could be in 15, 20 years and how you can make your mark. You need to make sure that your logo that you design is in alignment with that company's future. Again, brand research, industry research. Do some fucking research. That's what I always say, man. Make sure you aim towards timelessness. Don't worry about designing something for a trend per se. Just make sure that logo is functional and it can last for a very long time. I wouldn't want to design something for somebody and have to redesign it in 5 years when it's outdated or when it's terrible. That's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Peace.